Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is part 4 of a series of videos where we go over the College Board official question bank question analysis. This is a command of textual evidence, scientific textual evidence question. Let's get started. I'll start by reading this question. A museum curator is writing a biographical statement about Trinidadian-born Chinese dancer, choreographer, and teacher, Day Alien, for a new exhibit on Chinese dance. The curator claims a museum curator is writing a biographical statement about Trinidadian-born Chinese dancer, choreographer, and teacher Day Alien for a new exhibit on Chinese dance. The curator claims that some of the pieces Day created shortly after arriving in mainland China in 1941, such as the solo dance Yao Drum, reflects a desire to represent the dances of local communities Day visited during her travels through China. The question states that which quotation from a work by a dance historian would be the most effective evidence for the curator to include in the support of this claim? Answer choice A. There is no sound or music accompanying Day's movements in Yao Drum, aside from the sounds of drumsticks beating against the drum and against each other. Answer choice B. Unlike some of the works Day created in the early 1940s, Yao Drum does not feature a narrative structure, humorous elements, or references to real-life events. Answer choice C. Yao Drum was inspired by a ceremonial dance Dai witnessed during her time performing field research among the Yao people in the province of Jizhou in 1941 or 1942. Answer choice D. Yao Drum is notable for its intense physicality, with Dai performing sharp jumps, swift turns, and dramatic sweeps of her legs through the air as she moves in circles on the stage. So the best and fastest way to arrive at a correct answer to this question is to follow 4 steps. The first step is to identify key power words. That could be the word claim, statement, hypothesis, or text. In this question, our key power word is the word claim. Next, we read the passage to look for this claim. So the sentence that includes the claim is, some of the pieces that I created reflect a desire to represent the dances of the local communities Day visited during her travels through China. Now, in order to move on to step 3 and 4, we're going to summarize this claim sentence. Our summary phrase can be, Day's pieces equals represent dances of local communities of China. Before we move on to the next slide, step 3 is to identify scientific evidence that would illustrate, support, complete, justify, or weaken the key power word. And step 4 is to choose the correct evidence in the answers. Here is our summary phrase. And we already read the answers from A to D. Now let's try to shorten each answer to make it easier for ourselves to compare between a summary phrase and each answer choice. Answer A can be summarized to no sound, movement in Yao Drum aside from the sound of drumsticks. Answer choice B, Yao Drum doesn't feature a narrative, humor, or references. Answer choice C, Yao Drum was inspired by dance Day saw among the Yao people in Jizu. Answer choice D, Yao Drum is physically intense. So you can always pause the video, try to answer the question, and then resume the video. So with answer A, there is no relation between Yao Drum having sound or movement to the summary phrase that mentions that these pieces represents local dances. and therefore this answer is incorrect. With answer choice B, the answer mentions having a narrative, humor, or references in Yao Drum, which is again not what the claim states and not what the summary phrase is about. And so this is also an incorrect answer. With answer choice C, it is obvious that this answer does in fact mentions a local dance of a local community in China because they saw a dance in Zhuzhou and was inspired by it and therefore created the dance Yao Drum. So this is in fact the correct answer. Lastly, with answer choice D, Yao Drum is physically intense. There is no connection between this answer and the summary phrase, and so this is the incorrect answer. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.